Yo, what's good, y'all? It's Latrell, and shout out to Team Pixel, as always, for sending me out this Pixel 5a 5G. It's not even out yet. It's actually a pre-order right now. But they sent this out to me. I just got it in the mail today from FedEx, and today we're going to go ahead and compare this to the Pixel 5 that I just got last year from them. So at this point, y'all know we got to do. Let's get into it. Alright, y'all, so we're back here again at the legendary unboxing table, and first off, before I even get to this video, I gotta say, shout out to all the new Team Pixel users. Y'all did y'all thing, y'all put in the work, and now y'all got devices coming from Google, so y'all deserve it, man. But we got the Pixel 5a here, and man, I'm hyped. So they just announced it today, and as you can see, today is actually August 17th. Now, if you want to go and pick this thing up, and it starts shipping August 26th, but it's gonna run you about $450, not including the taxes. So honestly, that hurts a little bit, seeing what the Pixel 4a pricing had. Even with the upgrades that we get on here, like we got a Snapdragon 765G and even water resistance, like IP67 water resistance, it still hurts. It hurts, but honestly, that's not a bad price for what you're getting, especially with the water resistance. Like, that's expensive. All right, man, so let's go and get into this unboxing. So we got the Google logo, we got Pixel 5a, and now we got 5G, as you can see here. So basically, this should be the same exact thing as the Pixel 5. On the left side, we got the Google logo. On the right side, we got 5G. On the back, we got Team Pixel, baby. Yeah, let's go. At the top, we got the Google logo, and at the bottom, we just got my phone info. So let's go and get into this thing. Google got these easy pull tabs that they put in here every year for normal people who actually got fingernails, but not me. But all right, let's go and get into this thing, man. Oh snap, here is our Pixel 5a. So it only comes in one color. It comes in mostly black. That's literally the name of the color. But let's go ahead and get this thing out of here, and let's go ahead and take this off. There's that Pixel 5a, baby. So right away, we're gonna go ahead and take off this case, and let's go and do some comparison here. So this Pixel 5a is actually bigger than the Pixel 5, which is honestly really dope, because I don't really like screen sizes this small. Even though I still got used to it, I still like a screen size like this. So yeah, as you can see, we do got that hole punch here at the top still, and then we actually have an actual earpiece. So we don't have that under display speaker that they put in the 5, which I hated. At the bottom of the Pixel 5a though, this is the Pixel 5 in black. You can see that we got a microphone, we got a USB-C port, and then we got a speaker. On the right side, we got a SIM card slot, so we don't got an SD card slot. On the right side, look at this power button here, the Pixel 5a. So it's actually textured now, and it's the same color as this Pixel 5 here, so that's really dope. But you can also see there that we got a volume rocker. At the top, we got a headphone jack still. Yes, we got a headphone jack, and we got a microphone. So let's go and boot this thing up, but while that's going ahead and booting up, we're gonna go ahead and finish getting into the box. As you can see here, we do have our SIM card tool here, so let's go ahead and get this thing out of here. And as you can see, we have a power brick still, so yeah, so you know a lot of companies are starting to exclude these power bricks out of here, but we still have one in the Pixel 5a. Now, I am hearing in the Pixel 6 that we're not getting a power brick in there, which kind of sucks, honestly. I'm gonna keep it real with you. But you can see here that we got a USB-C to USB-C cable, and then we actually have a USB-C dongle. So you can actually plug this into your Pixel 5a and transfer data over with the USB-A port here at the bottom, or you could just go ahead and plug a flash drive or whatever you want to plug in there. We got our user manuals and all that, but you know what we do with this. We throw it to the side. And y'all, that's honestly about it for the Pixel 5a unboxing. So let's go and throw it to the side real quick. Now, let me do you the favor of telling you to get a screen protector for this Pixel 5a, because with Gorilla Glass, these things scratch easy. They don't really crack that easy anymore, but they scratch easy, so you want to get one. But alright, y'all, let me go and set this thing up, and I'll get back to y'all. Alright, y'all, so we are in the Pixel 5a, as you can see here. Man, welcome to your new Pixel. Every time you get a new Pixel for the first time, like, well, not really for the first time, but like a new Pixel that just came out. Whenever you get a new Pixel, the hype is just always there, so shout out to Google for that. But yeah, you probably saw me in there setting up my fingerprint, so it's honestly really accurate and fast, so I got no issues with this so far, and Google never really had an issue with fingerprint scanners on their phones, so I mean, it's the same thing on here. Now, I want to go and show y'all something else, is the camera. So, you could probably tell that there's less cameras here on the Pixel 5a, as you can see, and there's more cameras on the Pixel 5. So you only have a wide and an ultra wide, but we don't have a telephoto on the Pixel 5a. If you're gonna pull up the camera, you do got the ultra wide, but you're only gonna have digital zoom here on 2x. But yeah, honestly, this phone is looking really clean, man. So we got the Google logo right there, we got our fingerprint scanner, and like I just told y'all, we got the cameras right here. But I'm honestly really hyped for this Pixel 5a. I got to get a case and a screen protector for it, but I think it's gonna sell well too, because a lot of people bought the Pixel 4a and even the 3a. I I even remember when my auntie had a Pixel 3a. She may have a 4a by now, but I know my sister-in-law got a Pixel 4a. But yeah, man, let me just go and give y'all another side-by-side comparison. So you can see that we do got the Pixel 5 over here from last year, and then we got the Pixel 5a over here. And also, as you can see here from the Pixel 5, it actually has less bezels than the Pixel 5a, but it's honestly not that much more noticeable on here. So let me know in the comments below what y'all think about the Pixel 5a. Obviously, I'll be doing more videos on this, like maybe a week later and all that other type of stuff with this. But again, shout out to Team Pixel for sending this out to your boy and sending it to all these other smaller creators that just got on Team Pixel. So again, congrats to y'all. But it's also going to be interesting comparing it here to this TCL 20 Pro 5G that I just got from them. So far though, I think it's going to have to be the Pixel 5a, but we'll have to see. Anyway, y'all, thanks for watching. If you like this video, go and give this video a like. But go and follow me on my social media at ECentech on Instagram and Twitter and Facebook, but Instagram and Twitter is the most active. But anyway, y'all, this been fun. I got another unboxing to do, but thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one, and peace out. Let me know what y'all want to see on the Pixel 5a in the comments below.